Okay, real quick, let's get the detailing done on the metal guides here. So I'm bringing in a screw. This is just a simple, the pretty basic geometry on this guy. Nothing too fancy, but when you subdivide it, it comes out looking pretty good. So that's that. Although I could clean that up a little bit. There we go. Okay, but we're not going to leave that on because it's faster to work with it off. Okay. So we can start over here. Okay, so then we are going to just add a basic plane and scale it way down. To there. We want this down at the very surface level of the playfield, and we want to add some thickness to it. So I'm going to apply my scale to this. Now it's very thick. Okay, and then we can just grab this edge and bring it up like that. So there's our, just basic bracket for this thing. Okay. Then we have to add some rivets over here. And to do that, we just make a circle. Try not to give it too much geometry because these are really small. I'm going to rotate it on Y, 90 degrees. Going to give it a face. Going to apply the scale. Going to give it some thickness. So you can see where we're going with this. And I don't know how fiddly do you get with this stuff. These are very minor details. So gets a bevel. Nothing's quite working for me today. What's the deal? There we go. Okay, that looks good. And so then if that looks good, we can duplicate it, bring the other one over here, and this one is much lower. So there we go. There's our bracket. That one only gets used once. Okay. So the next ones are all going to be a little more basic, because we can repeat them. Okay, so there we go. And so we're going to take these, we're going to parent all those pieces just to this object. And then we can just go across the entire thing. Okay, there we go. That bit of detailing is done. You know, it looks good. Again, we used instancing, so, you know, even though there's a whole bunch of these, if I need to move one, I can move all of them closer, bigger, you know, whatever. That really makes things easy if there are changes down the road. You know, even, you know, say I modeled this wrong and I want to do something different. Like, for example, I want to bevel these edges out and make rounded corners. So cool, I did that, and it happened on all of them. So good thing to know how to do. And that's it, one step closer.